Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to export lesson results. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. Click the class you'd like to export lesson results for. Click the lesson from your lesson planner, and then click View Student Results. Underneath the lesson title, click Export. You can export the results by lesson, which will show the total score your student received for the whole lesson, or you can export the results per task, which will show you the score the student received for each task. Exporting the results by lesson will look like this, while exporting the results per task will look like this, where you'll see a score per task for each student. That's it for this video on how to export lesson results. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.